August 10th around noon. So that solar lamp, I could see the light decreasing, and then eventually it died. It no longer turned on in the evening. So the battery is dead, needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna do that today. So when you're taking the glass off, the glass will be damaged because you're using something to pry it loose with. The plastic will crack. The side of the glass will be broken. So when you're gonna do this, do it at the bottom. Okay, this is the top, this is the bottom. So that when it rains, water ingress will be prevented. So that's why you want to do it at the bottom. So you do it gently, because when I did this, the plastic broke, cracked, because they're really using it's really tough to remove the glass. So one way or the other, the plastic will crack. And with practice, if you do this like hundreds of times, you'll find the proper technique. So basically use a heat gun and just go around until it's hot to the touch, and then just use something to start from the edge, crack, and then start prying loose. And eventually as you move toward the left, the thing will just pop. Once this thing is removed, this is not screwed, and instead of removing the entire battery pack, just take the sleeves, cut it, and then get the battery. So the battery is badly corroded. This thing lasted about 3 years. Let's see, 2024. I think I bought this in 2022. And as you can see, badly corroded, didn't last long. So that's how it is. Let's see, what is when was this thing made? I don't know when it was made. The date code is whatever. There's no date code. Or there was, it's just gone. So yeah, so that's the reason why batteries of solar lamps doesn't last long, because the heat, the lamp exposed in the sun inside the housing, it gets pretty hot. So when it's charging, it doesn't like heat. So that's what it is. So I'm gonna replace this with these two. Replace that. So I bought this from Lazada, Safiro. So I'm gonna connect the ground first, and then the power after. Okay, they're connected. The power here is 3.2 right now, so the battery are depleted. So before I put this thing together, I'm going to charge the battery to make sure everything is working. Okay, it's charging and it comes on, so I'm going to put it together now. Okay, it's all put together, so I'm just gonna let it dry. I use silicone. I don't have any special RTV to glue the glass back, so that's just the way it is. Can't really buy the proper rubber compound here in Roxas. Thanks for watching.